Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Live ID and Toloka accounts are both active. This avoids interruptions later. Once done, obtain the OAuth client ID and secret from the Live ID developer console. These are required to authenticate. Next, go into Toloka, open your profile and the integrations panel, and choose Connect Live ID. Enter the client ID there. This begins the authorization flow, so make sure your redirect URI is set consistently between Live ID and Toloka. You will now complete the OAuth exchange. This is the core connection step. First, ensure the redirect URI in Live ID matches Toloka's callback exactly, because mismatch blocks the flow. Then, when prompted, grant scopes like profile and email so Toloka can read essential data. Only request what you need. After the consent screen, copy the authorization code back to Toloka or let Toloka capture it automatically. Toloka then exchanges that code for an access token to establish the persistent link. Complete the setup by testing the connection. Log out of Toloka and sign in using Live ID. Verify the correct Toloka account is linked and tasks load. Make sure tokens are stored and refresh tokens are configured so the connection persists. If something goes wrong, first check the redirect URI and client secret for typos, then inspect token expiry and refresh behavior. A key troubleshooting tip: open the Browser Console Network tab during the flow to catch HTTP errors and precise error messages. Those point to what to fix.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.